Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. Guys, today we are going to learn a new trick based on Microsoft Excel SUMIF formula. We are going to use the SUMIF formula to sum a range that contains lesser than a specified numbers. To learn this formula briefly, watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. And if you have already subscribed, then many thanks. So let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously. Look at here, I have a data file like this, and if you have to count and sum that range that contains lesser than a specified number like this. In my case, I am going to sum that range which is lesser than number 1000. To sum if less than any number, you can easily use the SUMIF function here. Look at here friends carefully. In this example, I have to type the formula like this, equals to SUMIF, then open the first bracket. Note here carefully, as the sum range and the criteria range is same, we have to include this only once. So we are going to include the cell range number. In my case, the cell range is from D5 to D11. Then you have to put a comma here. Then the trick will be applied here. You have to simply open the double inverted comma, put the lesser than symbol, then give the specified criteria here, criteria number. In my case, I am giving 1000. That means in this range it will sum the numbers which are lesser than 1000. Then you have to close the double quotation, close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing you the result without any errors. So let's check how this formula actually works. This formula sums the amounts in column D when they are less than 1000. The SUMIF function supports Excel's logical operation like equals to, greater than, equals to or greater than, etc. So you can use these as you like in your criteria. In this case, we want to match amounts less than 1000 and the criteria range is the same as the sum range, so there is no need to enter the sum range as a final argument. The SUMIF function simply sums up all amounts less than 1000 in this range. Note that both operator greater than and lesser than and threshold amount are enclosed in double quotation. If you want to include the threshold number in the sum, you need to include the equals to symbol after the lesser than symbol like this. So what you will do when you have the criteria in another cell like this, I am heading this cell like criteria, and suppose I have the criteria number in this cell. So this formula will not work if you have a criteria in another cell. You have to apply another trick in this formula. So look at here carefully, friends. You have to type the formula like this: equals to SUMIF, then open the first bracket, then again you have to give the sum range here, put a comma. Here you have to apply the trick. You have to open the double inverted comma at first, then put the lesser than symbol, then close the double inverted comma. Now you have to put the ampersand symbol. After that you have to select or write the cell reference number here. That's all. Then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here, friends, it is showing the accurate result. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you have learned a new trick of Microsoft Excel SUMIF formula today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Share your opinion in the comment box, and if you have any query about this formula, let me know in the comment box also. Share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel, and stay tuned.